Plowboy 56 here. I was going to harvest some of my potatoes from one of my earlier videos where I was growing them in the tubs, and to show you what I like about it. Real easy to harvest. Maybe you'll be able to see something with this video. As you know, I plant my potatoes, fill these tubs up with compost and potting soil with potatoes in the bottom. And then I mulched it real heavy with wheat straw. And let it grow. When it's ready to harvest, all I have to do is turn the tubs over. As you can see, I'm starting to just get my potatoes out. Now all you gotta do is work through the dirt, pick your potatoes out. Now, I even say these small ones, they're good for boiling and eating, but also when I planted these, I explained to you, these were just planted with potatoes that were just left over from last year that we didn't get them all ate up. And if you know, they'll just swivel up and dry out, but they were full of little sprouts. And I would put just like 6 or 8 of these tiny potatoes in one of these tubs, and that was all the seed potatoes I had in these. You can see it's just real easy to pull my potatoes out and go through. All I got to do is dig through the dirt. Harvest my potatoes. You can tell I got some nice big healthy earthworms. Now go through here. I'm through. I just put the dirt back in here for the time being to save it. This is just rich leaf compost. Now that doesn't look like a tremendous amount of potatoes, but as I said, it started from just 5 or 6 small potatoes like that were just swiveled up and sprouted. Now I'll clean these up. And I know that doesn't look like a lot, but it's a good several meals. When I get all the potatoes picked out, all I do is gather up my plastic tarp . I dump the compost and soil back in my tub. Quite possibly I'll take some late tomatoes or maybe plant some squash in these and let them grow from now to fall. Show you again real quick. I just take the mulch off. Get another container here. Start pulling my potatoes out. And I had put my fertilizer soybean meal and crushed eggshells in here when I planted them. And other than watering them, had no more work to do. The whole year just kept them watered. I've already harvested several tubs full. When it's all said and done, I think I'm probably going to have a couple of bushels of Irish potatoes. And while I said that don't sound like a lot, it's a lot less work than when we used to plant them in the garden and have to dig them up by hand or plow them up with a tractor. Then we'd have to spend the whole day scratching through the dirt. Now this particular tub looked like it didn't turn out as many potatoes. This is just a little something I do in order to grow some fresh potatoes. We'll have some fresh potatoes to eat. And as I said, I can reuse this compost mixture, grow other vegetables in it. Squash. I can set out some broccoli and collards this fall in them if I want to. They don't take up much space, they're out of the way. Just another way you can utilize different things. These tubs are simply old 25-gallon tubs that protein cake came in that the farmers get at the co-op to supplement their cow feed during the winter, and it helps them provide their protein needs. And rather than throw them away, just drill some holes in them and use them for planters. Sometimes I use them for storage, so they come in real handy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, leave comments. Appreciate it. Plowboy 56 out.